Welcome to BezReviews. Today we are looking at the ASKGO Electric Dirt Bike, a machine built for power and off-road trail riding. Check the link in the description for the best price. Let us dive into what makes this bike a potential option for your next outdoor adventure. Let us break down how this bike performs on the track and trails. The 5500-watt peak motor delivers strong acceleration for climbing steep hills. The large battery capacity ensures you spend more time riding and less time searching for a charger. Multiple pedal assist modes allow riders to manage their speed effectively on technical terrain. The motor output and range capabilities provide a solid foundation for most off-road riding scenarios. We also need to consider how this bike handles safety and daily maintenance. The oversized hydraulic disc brakes offer reliable control even on steep and muddy descents. The NFC card system allows for quick and secure access without needing a traditional key. While it arrives mostly assembled, users must be prepared to finalize the build themselves. Hydraulic brakes offer reliable stopping power, while the NFC security adds a touch of modern convenience. The ASKGO Electric Dirt Bike brings a lot to the table with its high-torque motor and impressive battery life. While it requires some setup, the inclusion of hydraulic brakes and smart features makes it a competitive choice for enthusiasts.